Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Donnie, and in today's video, we'll be covering Fermat's Little Theorem. So, what is Fermat's Little Theorem? So, if we have a prime p and we have an integer a, and if they're co-prime, meaning the greatest common divisor between these two numbers, the prime and the integer, is 1, then we could apply this special trick to reduce these massive exponents in modular mathematics. Okay, I'll go through an example to illustrate this clearly. So we're going to go through this example. So that's our problem. So we have to try to find the modulus of this, okay? And as you can see, it's a very big exponent. It's 110. That's very big. So first, you can apply Euclidean algorithm. The reason we have to apply Euclidean algorithm to find that if the greatest common divisor between a and p. Okay, so basically how you start it off is you take the 114, so this guy over here, you take the 37, you put it down over here. Basically, we gotta find the remainder. So basically, we have to do 114 divided by 37, which will give us the 3, the scalar, and what's left. So basically, the remainder, so it's 3. Then we got to take the 37 and do it again. So we have to rinse and repeat until we get 0. Okay, so the 37 goes down here, and the 3 goes down here. So this is the new scalar, which is 12, and you have a 1, which is the remainder. So you do the same thing again. So you bring down the 1, you bring down the 3, you bring down the 1 over here. And in this scenario, you end up with a 0. A 0 means that we completed the algorithm. And that means that over here, this could be our greatest common divisor between a and p, which is 1. So that's how we know we have 1 as our greatest common divisor. So basically, here we're writing this out. So that's the first part done. Now we have to solve for this. So we have to solve for this 114 to the power 110 over here. So now we have to apply Fermat's Little Theorem. So as you can see, now we could apply it. So now we could put the 114 over here, the 37, the minus 1, and 1 mod 37. So this basically our rule. So we simplify, we get this. Now, a reminder, this is the question. So we could rewrite this as follows. So basically over here, we're breaking this 110 into 136, another 36, another 36, and to a 2. Because this 11436 is equal to 1. As is shown by this Fermat's Little Theorem. So basically now we could group them, and this would be simplified to 1 because we know this portion over here, as you can see highlighted. This is 1, this goes away, and now we just have 114 to the power of 2. So as you can see, this number could be put inside a calculator or any tool to solve. Basically, 114 to the power 2 is solvable. So that would be a huge number. Then you divide by 37 and you get your remainder. And the remainder will be 9. So basically, 114 to the power 110 mod 37 is equal to 9. And that's the answer to this question. So that's it for this video. So please leave a like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day.